Matawiere pacho kaendi Iebc koro to Ochungo e tich Apisa mage adek mabende itudo kod wilo nyinge jogo ombulu kendo terogi e centers mamoko kendo mako bura ka DCI mondo otimnegi nonro makare ne Apisa makamago eko. Jakoma mara duolno ero Migosi Wafula Chebukati kata kamano wacho ni wacha makamano ero osemiyo giyudo monj kowuok kuom josiasa kanyakla kod jopiny kokalo social media kata e yor mbui mabende geto staff maggi. Owacho ni wacha makamano ero koro itimone nonro makare kendo okang' ma owinjore ibiro kaw kod duolno ero mara DCI.
We proceed to print the register, but we await the outcome of the court. The commission is concerned and takes a great exception on the rising propaganda through gutter press, social media, and some political players on its members and staff. This has not only led to anxiety among key staff of the commission, but also security threats to them.
The commission used open tendering method for the purpose of sourcing the printer of ballot papers as well as the results forms. And you are aware that out of this, Inform Lycos was actually the company that won this tender.
An attempt by some newspapers to profile me to Moses Wetangula. Now, that is very, very unfortunate. As the chair of the commission, I've never sat with an individual to discuss procurement.
The biometric register and the physical register or the paper register, they are one and the same. You use the biometric register to print the paper register. So this notion being carried around that biometric register and paper register are different is actually misleading Kenyans.